Hello, everyone. My name is Ibrahim Mukaida, and I am an instructor with Zacrac Learning. In this video, I'll be showing you how to write a subqueries in your where clause. So, at times, in your where clause, you don't have a definite answer, or you want to actually get what you want to use in your where clause from another query. So, how do we do this? Yep. So I have a table called payments. I'm going to select everything from payments, and I'm just going to run this, and we'll see a couple of these, yeah, and see all these amazing things. Yeah. So let's now say all I'm interested in this payment table is just the payment that is above, let's say, above the average amount that I have there. What do I mean? I could have, it could be in a different table where I have a specific average that I need to check. But in this case, I just want to use the same table in my where clause as the one I want to see. So I want to see only tables, only rows that matches um, that is greater than my average amount that I've received. So how do I do this? So let's do this. So what I need to do is put a where clause. In my where clause, then I'm going to open a bracket. And before I open, I will say where amount, because I want to do it an amount, is greater than, I want amount is greater than the average. So I'm going to select, I'm going to open my bracket and close. And within here is where my subqueries is going to go. By the way, a subquery is actually a real SQL query, but because it's within another query, that's why we call it a subquery. So in this case, I want to say select average, because I want to select average of amount from payment. See, same table. The only difference is I want to see the average. So before I run this, I'm just going to copy this and just paste it below and just run this. And we see my average is 32,431 points, the rest. So which means I'm expecting the amount that I'll be seeing here to be anything greater than 32,431. So let's run this to be sure. And I'm just going to order it, order by amount, so that we are sure we're seeing, and I'm going to say um, ascending. It's orders in ascending order. So I'm just going to run this and let's see what happens. 32, let me just run everything so we can compare. So we have our average to be 32,431. If you see here, 32,538, 32,641, and it keeps increasing that way, which of course is greater than our average. So in this query, I've used what we call a sub query, which is this. Yep. I can go as high as saying in my subquery. So let's copy this. So we know this subquery can be any kind of SQL query. I can say select this where my payment date is greater than 2004 or 3 or let me just do 01. And I'm just going to copy this as it is and just put it down here and just run this and let's see what we have. We have 32,689 because I put in a where clause in that my sub clause again. I don't want you to use everything, just payment that is above this time. So 32,689. So if I run this, see what we have. We now have 32,723, which is higher than what this is giving us. So if I run the two so that we are sure, this is giving us 32,689. and the minimum here is 32723. So this is it. Our subquery can be any kind of advanced query, but the only thing, it has to give out a value that matches what the column you are trying to do a where clause in. For instance, this is returning a number, and my amount here is a number. If I'm returning like an alphabet, then it does not make sense in this case. It's going to return an error for me. But our subquery can be as complex as we think we can make it, and get our result out. So thank you for watching. And if you'd like to learn more on analytics and other data science courses, kindly log on to www.zacraclearning.com. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe to this channel, and also